So I wanted to show you guys some that I've been working on for about 2 days now. So I always want to have like some sort of power in the back seat so that my passengers have some to charge their phones or something. So the other day I decided, you know what? I want to turn these cigarette trays into charging ports. And that's exactly what I did. So I got my iPad here. I am gonna plug this in. The car's in accessory mode right now. These are not always on. So we're just gonna plug this USB into here and follow this cable around. Plug my iPad in. And it's charging. This works with both sides. I've done both of them all together. And yeah, I'm really happy with the result. Looks really nice, really clean. They all close, open up, works really beautifully. All right, well, see you guys.